It is 7th founding anniversary ti Cordillera State Institute of Technical Education nagkinaawatan ti pagadalan TESDA ken dagiti dadakkel a panggedan iti skills training dagiti estudyante sakbay da a makagpaggraduar. Anya ta tinabukkel a katulagan seknan iti daytoy. Ada kinalap ni Jezreel Kate Lapisar a detalye.
Highlight iti panangrambak ti maikapito a founding anniversary ti Cordillera State Institute of Technical Education ti Memorandum of Understanding iti nagbautan ti pagadalan ken dagiti pribado nga institusyon ken kompanya iti syudad ti Baguio. Panggap ti a partnership a pasayaatan pay dagiti trainings tapno may pasigurado a maaddaan iti panggedan dagiti aglipas iti skills training. Nakikaykaysa ti CSITE iti dua a pribado nga institusyon iti syudad para iti tourism ken hospitality ken may nga institusyon para iti manufacturing.
We are working together to bring skills training closer to the community, training that leads to real work, real income, and better futures. This collaboration helps prepare our people for actual opportunities, not just certificates.
We look forward to longer-term partnerships and collaboration in advancing technical skills, other initiatives, and preparing, of course, our youth to be part of the workforce.
May isa kadagiti partner ti TESDA ket ti kakaisuna a 5-star mountain resort iti Pilipinas.
Rest assured that with our partnership with CSITE, we will be coming up with the best frontline employees in the Cordilleras.
Kinablaawan mo't ni TESDA Secretary Jose Francisco Benitez ti panagragget ti TESDA CSITE iti manu atawan tapno makaproduce kadagiti mangmangged a responsive kadagiti na duma-duma nga industriya iti region.
This is also the first time that I have encountered a TESDA training institution that is initiating a partnership with enterprises. CSITE is once again experimenting on what it might look like to transition from a dual training system where 60% happens in the school and 40% maybe happens in industry or even less, to a properly EBET orientation where the majority of the delivery happens in enterprise.
Jezreel Kate Lapizar para iti Pambansang TV, iti Baro, a Pilipinas.